To show or hide active or paused status so notifications pop up in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Select settings, and then tap show notification are also if you turn off some notification, and if turn on, tap show notification are active, and then turn on left transcript and show notification first. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap active or pause status, and then select alert. To show active or pause status as pop up, tap show as pop up switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.